friend of me is Xiaomi Redmi 10, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. Firstly, open settings, now scroll down and choose apps, then go into permissions 2 times and pick one of your phone's features. I will go with location. Then pick one of your apps, for example Maps, it has a lot of options, and select one of those. Allow all the time, allow only when using the app, ask every time or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so I have to click on it, go back. And as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can also just tap on one of your apps, select see all Google permissions over here, and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!